Hey guys, this is your girl Phoenix. I told you that I was going to do an application video. So here are my completed custom witchy Ursula tips. And if you check out my previous video, you'll actually find a tutorial for that. So I'm just going to put these on. I usually wear mine for about a week or two. After I make a design for somebody, I usually like it and want to do the same for myself or something similar. So I'm not going to do a super long-lasting press-on set. However, I will do one coming up soon because I really need to stop switching my nails out so fast. So I'll be using McCart nail glue, and this is my favorite nail glue. This is the one that I include with my kits. It's just the best. It really, really holds. I am also going to be using my e-file today. This one's by Melody Susie. So what we're going to do is just prep these nails a little bit. And I have my file down on low because my nails are already a mess. And basically you just want to gently go around your nail bed. Move any loose skin, make sure you push back those cuticles. It's funny, like whenever the dogs see me set up my camera, they run in here like thinking that they're gonna get a chance to be on a video. It's like I've really created little monsters. They like the attention. I will go outside and like I will record them for my boyfriend's mom. You know, she loves Peanut. She calls him her grandson, so I take videos of Peanut for her. And he sees me like position my phone towards him, and that's his indicator, like, oh, it's time for us to hand it up. I'm about to be seen. It's really cute. They actually like being on camera more than I do, which makes these videos a little bit easier because you just gotta see my little raggedy hands. And I know the nail techs among you are like, girl, you didn't push back nothing. Like, you didn't push back nothing. And I would say you are correct, nail tech. I did not really go in, because when I do go all in, because these are structured nails, when I say that they conform to your nail, they conform to your nail. So they last a really long time. Like they literally last like an acrylic set when you go to the shop. All right, so I have my 99% alcohol and just a cotton round. So at this point, I'm just going to dehydrate my nails and make sure that I get off any of those little shaving particles. I'm a disabled lady with no money. Like, I live, you know, off of disability. So I don't have it yet to get myself a dust collector. However, I watch, what's her name? Femi Beauty, I think her name is. And the sad thing is I watch her channel all the time. I just can't think of your complete name, but I know it's Femi. I'm pretty sure it's like Femi Beauty. But she has like a really nice dust collector and I watch her all the time, so I definitely want to get that whole situation. But right now it's like I'm just trying to make a little extra pocket money. I need to get a new car, so it's just like, oh, if I can sell these nails, I'll be able to put a little bit of extra money in my bank account, all that good stuff. I know y'all don't care, but I'm just, you know, just talking. It's nice to talk it out. All right, so I have my nails. I removed the dust. Make sure I remove this a little bit. As you can see, I have like some areas of overhang and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to wait for that to grow out a little bit. I'm also just gonna take a little pin to open my glue. So as a wigger, I have T-pins. You can use a safety pin or, you know, whatever you have at home at your disposal. All right, so my glue is open and I just recap it and set it to the side. I like to have it ready. All right, so what I'm gonna do is etch the back of these nails. So I'm going to actually take my e-file and do it, but I will do a few with one of my small files just so you guys can kind of see how it goes. And we're just going to speed through this. So I'm just going to take my e-file and etch the inside of the nail. You don't really need to dig in or anything like that. You just want to give the glue a surface to stick onto. So I'm going to do the same with this one. Sorry, saw something bother me, decided to take that off too. But that's good. And you're gonna go down the line, do the same thing to all the nails. If you have anything that sticks up, any overhangs or anything like that, now's a good time to get it. You already have your e-file out, you're already ready. So you're just doing it where your natural nail is gonna connect with these nails. If you have long natural nails, then do it up to the nail where your nails end. So it's harder with the pinky because it's so small, but I still just try to make sure I get the side walls, because that's the part that's mainly going to adhere your nails on. So if you don't do this step, then your nails are probably going to pop off. Alright, so I'm going to do a couple with the mini file that I provide in my kit. Okay, got these little pink and blue ones. They're 180 grit. So you're just going to take your nail, flip it over, and you can use whatever side of the file you choose to use. I think the blue side is a little bit more scratchy than the pink side, but I could be wrong. I don't know. So you're just going to move that file back and forth, making sure you get those side walls like I said, and bam, you have now roughed that nail up sufficiently. So like I said, you don't have to, a little bit of two-sided tape, but you don't have to do a whole lot to these to roughen it up. The glue just needs somewhere to go. So I'll do another one, and we're just going back and forth. Kind of the same way with any other press-on nails. If you've ever used any press-on nails, or you know, they're all the same. Like, just because these are hard gel nails doesn't really make it any different. Essentially, if it's too smooth back here, then the glue won't really like hold onto the nail. So little grooves, just give the glue somewhere to go. Alright, so I took that. And to speed it up, I'm just going to use my e-file for the rest of these. It's already round and it only takes a second. What are you doing, Kiki? Mommy's working. Alrighty. So I'm actually just going to talk through the first one or two, and then after that we'll just play some music and keep it going. So I like to start with the thumbnails, uncap my glue, and I like to put it in the well of the nail. So I go around the edge, okay, and I like to personally apply mine upside down. I know it's a little unconventional, but I just line it up with my cuticles. And then I flip it over and make sure it's straight. But it tends to keep the glue all in the well, so it doesn't run as much when I do it that way. And this nail is so freaking cute already. So I'm gonna hold that in place for a second. Alright, and that is on there well, and then I usually go in afterwards and just put a drop of glue on the back. But tell me this nail is not cute, y'all. Tell me it's not cute. Alright, so let's finish this hand up. I'm already excited to see the finished results. gonna take my next nail, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna hold this up a little bit and make sure you guys can see. But I take my glue, put some in the middle, go around the edges, and I mainly keep it in that same well that I worked with earlier. And now I can see there's a couple little hairs over here. I'm not really pressed about it. And then I hold this like this for about 30 seconds. And once again, I like to do mine upside down. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna flip it over and make sure we're in place. Alright guys, so these are our completed nails, and I absolutely love these. I think they came out so gorgeous. So yeah, I know my hands were like mad ashy. That's 100% alcohol that I was using. So without me doing any editing, this video took me about 30 minutes to put these on, and mind you, I was talking and everything else, so I think it's really feasible to say you could do it in about 20-25 minutes the most, including letting them cure and everything. To extend their lifespan, you want to avoid putting your hands in, like, you know, submerging them in water for long periods of time, at least that first 24 to 48 hours. You want to try to avoid it. See if you can get somebody else to do the dishes for you. Because I know when I avoid water for those first couple days, they last me for weeks before I need to do anything. So thank you guys for watching me do these Ursula nails and apply them. Guys, have a great day. Stay tuned. I have more videos coming, of course. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything in particular you guys want to see. I would love to get some suggestions on future designs. So keep me posted. But yeah, guys, I think these came out really, really cute. So I'm excited. Have a great one. Bye.